Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming model and firmware so the right menu appears. This avoids mismatched options. Connect your phone or PC to the same network the camera currently uses and log into the CP Plus web UI or app. Once done, locate the device list or camera entry. This is where you begin the change. Make sure you have the new SSID and password handy, because you will paste them into fields that do not show characters for security. You navigate to network or wireless settings. In the web UI, this is under configuration. Select the new SSID from the scan list, choose 4 GHz if the model requires it, and enter the exact password with correct capitalization because it is case sensitive. Once you apply the settings, the camera will attempt to reconnect, monitor the status indicator, and give it up to 2 minutes. If prompted, set static IP or DHCP as required by your network setup. You verify success by opening live view and checking recordings. If both work, you're done. If the camera won't reconnect, make sure the router isn't blocking MAC addresses, confirm IP and gateway are valid, and try switching between DHCP and a static IP. This resolves many conflicts. If nothing helps, perform a factory reset as a last resort and reconfigure from scratch. But note this erases settings. One tip: power cycle the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.